Welcome to this Salesforce learning program. Before we start, I just want to point out a couple of things. For these tutorials, we have used the default setup that comes with a new account, and because Salesforce is so versatile and can be configured and customized, you may find that as you follow along, the look and feel will be different to how your company has set up your Salesforce org. The other thing is, your Salesforce administrator is the person who will set up your account, and they are good to get to know in case you have any questions. This person will normally be in your company, so if you're in a large company, this might be someone who has a dedicated role. Or if you're in a small company, this could be, for example, your sales manager. What they will initially do is set up a new account for you, and you will receive an automated email. So first, check your inbox for the welcome email or account verification email. This will contain your username, which is normally your email, and a link to complete the setup. Click the link to redirect you to the page which will ask you to change your password and select a security question. The security questions, such as "in what city were you born," for example, will help verify your identity in case you forget your password. After setting up the password and security question, you'll automatically be logged in.